Sobrang saya kasi game kami pareho eh. May mga nag-comment nga sa Instagram namin na, okay yung outdoor honeymoon ninyo. I mean, kasi talagang we saw to it na we would see places and we would both immerse into being in Peru. And ang dami namin natutunan and at the same time, you know, while sharing those moments together, we are also sharing a lot of things with the world and how we're learning from it. So, I love kung ganun lahat ng honeymoon, parang sarap
Masaya nga yung ganun.
Discover new things about each other.
Yeah, every day. I mean, Aiza and I are so open to each other na alam namin yung mga konting-konting change lang ng behavior namin, yung moods namin. Alam, dahil sa sobrang bukas naming dalawa, nakita namin yun agad. So, especially during this trip, tanda yung pamela mo. Yung mga tipong, basta, hindi ko may sakit. Kasi may kasakit siya nung last week.
Siya pag may sakit.
Oo, yung parang, you just have to find a tweet about him. Na parang doon lumalabas na parang, oo nga, ay sa sigera nga. Ay, syempre nakakalimutan mo na yun dahil we're husband and wife. So parang, our relationship is super normal.
Yeah.
Pero, pag may mga moments siya na parang may pagka-whiny siya pag may sakit siya. Huli na lang, child star ka ng bata eh.
Going back to the trip, kumusta yun? How was it? Is it difficult climbing the Machu Picchu?
Talagang yun. We took the really, really easy route. Nag-bus kami bago. Nakakahiyaman. Hindi ko nag-inka trail. Hindi ko ginawa yun. Nag-bus kami to get to the gate. In fairness to us. And then, from there, doon namin inakyat yung mga sun gate para makakuha kami ng magandang view. It was a 2-hour trek, pero naging 4 hours kasi sure ko na yun. Masaya siya. And ano naman, kasi yung Machu Picchu, yung elevation niya, it's not as high as Cusco, which is the main capital city. So, hindi kami hinahapo, pero pagdating namin doon sa Cusco, yun talaga yung medyo challenging talaga dahil yung elevation. It really gets to you. Yung sasabi nila altitude sickness, it happens.
Your favorite moment during that trip?
Meron kaming guide ng second day namin. And napunta kami sa yung sa Moray. It's like Circle Valley siya. So, para siyang terraces na pabilog, tapos para siyang amphitheater. But, nakatuwa yung guide namin kasi Quechua siya. So, very in touch siya sa culture niya. And we did a ceremony dun sa isang area dun. Kasi napunta kami sa baba, tapos yung may patch of land dun na pag nagsalita ka, umi-echo siya sa buong valley, o dun sa circle na yon. And I find it sobrang solemn kasi parang kaming tatlo lang yon, parang with nature, giving an offering and saying thank you for, you know, and it makes you super grateful na parang, wow, grabe, parang we are mere a spectator dito sa ganda ng mundo, and to share that with the person that you love, and that's pretty special.
Ay, kasi naman kasi.